Quinn!
Mookie.
You hear that?
Yeah. What was it? I don't hear it anymore. Was that the light?
Quinn, keep clicking the lights on and off. I thought I heard a sound. There.
Yeah, I hear it too.
It's like a clicking noise or something. Yeah, check over there. Wait, I see something. Leave the lights on.
Oh, no way.
God dang. Wait, turn the lights back off.
Why?
Try this. It's connected to the light switch.